Graeme, what's that?
He's like, what is that?
What's that?
Come on.
Do you know who that's for?
What is that?
Is that for you? Why don't you go have a seat on it, buddy?
Sit on it. Sit on it.
Let's see if it's... You want to see if it's...
You gotta see if the seat fits you.
It's in here.
Oh, look at that. He fits good. He fits good.
Just be careful. You better show him how to...
Now, how do we, he just hit the gas pedal and nothing happened. Now, let's everyone step away. Whoa, 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 wait a minute, whoa, 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 hold on. Hold on. You gotta steer, Graeme.
Oh.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, God. Everybody look out. What do you think of that, Graeme? Uh-oh.
Amanda's like, I'm getting in. Amanda, watch out.
That's it. That's it. Steer the wheel. Steer the wheel. All right, why don't we stop there? Graeme, stop there. Graeme, that's it. Stop right there. Now, you can go in reverse, but I don't know if we want to really do that on a trailer.
Well, let's take the trailer.
Here, whoa, whoa, don't do anything yet. Hold on, hold on.
We'll put the trailer over here.
Now, there's a reverse. Don't do anything. Whoop, don't do anything. Don't do anything.